to another term na po siya, nag-transition. Bunny means brittle, anxious, N. What is N? And N. I forgot the N. And I, incomprehensible. Bunny. I will research it later. That's the word bunny. So, non-linear. Nalagay tayo memory gap, ani. Because of so many things that we think, no? So, mind you, when I was assigned in Agusan del Sur Division is the biggest division in Caraga region. So, I have not incurred any absent in my term here for almost 3 years as ESDS. So, daghay din ako na, including pa ako sa balay, daghay din ako na mga problema sa office. So, bunny, brittle, anxious, non-linear, and incomprehensible. So life is full of uncertainties. So my first question is, my topic is about expectation of DepEd or student interns and service teachers, and work ethics for teachers. So I'm glad Mr. Valerio is here. Primitira kami ani mag-abot. He's a very good school head na magkaroon, sir? A head teacher. Okay, so my first question, next slide, please. Who wants to join the DepEd in the future? Raise hand. Manifest it. Manifesting. Yes. Why is it that you want to join the DepEd?
Because paano ba sir ka ng lifelong dream jud na ako na maka-teach ko in the future, and I want to follow the footsteps of my parents na maestra po sila bitaw sir, so that's why gusto ko mag-join sa DepEd.
Okay, thank you. That's a very great reason, no? Of planning to join the DepEd in the future because your parents or other relatives are teachers in the Department of Education. How about here? Isn't a grace of hands? Anybody? Christian. Why is it that you would like to join them?
Aside from NAMI scholarship, NAMI return service, I would like to join DepEd para ma-share na mo ang among knowledge to the students and to the sa atong nation.
Very good. For students and to the nation, no? So, I love your uniform. You're very neat. Okay, so it is my first time to see yung mga Pinoy natin sila may yellow na uniform. No? Exclusive for internship, no? So, when you will be off campus sa Department of Education, you will see the real world. Because when you will teach sa private schools, that is an artificial world. Everything is provided man, no? So, mga well-to-do family, nasa private schools, usually, they are given the facilities. But now, sa Department of Education, you will see the real world. The real battle is there. No, I have to tell you honestly, Agusan del Sur Division is lack of more than 1,000 classrooms. Because during pandemic, the budget is being diverted to health essentials, mga COVID. So the budget for repairs and constructions were not being utilized. So as a result of that 2 years, so nagkaroon ng gap. So if you could see, especially the Heartland schools, there are students in the classes sa stage, sa gymnasium. It is existing now. There are students na ang one classroom tungaon, imoong 2 classrooms. So that is existing now. So that is the reality of life sa Department of Education. So even if there will be upcoming constructions as announced by the Department of Education, the needs continue. Padayon na siya every year. Kaya usually the trend is increasing ang population sa DepEd. So the real battle sa Department of Education is really there in public schools. So I urge all of you to dream to become teachers in the Department of Education and make a difference, no? So when you will be observing, okay lang man siguro ang inyong internship kaya naman sa mga big schools, Busan High, no? Pilot, but you will be assigned to far-flung schools. Usually, ang mga new teachers will be assigned to far-flung schools. You will see the realities in the Department of Education. Ako istorya, no? Next slide. This is DepEd with more than 900,000 employees. It is growing. We are the biggest bureaucracy in the Republic of the Philippines. Kay ang GSIS, more than 1 million members sa GSIS and 900,000 plus is coming from the Department of Education. Okay, next slide. This is now the new rate of Teacher 1 salary. O di ba attractive? 27,000. The pera is 2,000. That makes it 29,000 after the deductions kung walay loan. Mga net, mga 25,000. Enough? Enough sa inyo? Oh, pero kung ma-assign ka of far-flung areas, that is more than enough already. Yan ang mga dito nga, ang mode or the standard of living is quiet low. Okay ramang sige na mo o kaon o gulay, that is more than enough. More than enough. But if you have high standards, then maybe that is not enough. You will go abroad. You go to Thailand, you go to US, maybe, no? Pero I'm sure majority of you here would like to be in the Department of Education. Next slide. This is the profile of the Agusan del Sur Division. We have more than 8,000 employees. It is growing. As of now, it is 8,300 plus, including the non-teaching personnel. Okay, just to give you an idea, next slide. For school year 2023-2024, so register of qualified applicants, there are 544. I have my hard copy here, kaya I cannot even read, no? Sa layo. 544 RQA for elementary, 120 were hired. So dako-dako ang turnout, no? Atong karon. 639 RQA for junior high school. Oh, makita na ninyo ang disparity. Only 34 were hired. So minus ang hiring rate sa junior high school. For senior high school, there are 218 RQA, 115 were hired. So dako, gamay lang nag-apply sa senior high school. So I don't know anong gamay lang. So taas siya. Ganun taas ng senior high because there are those who are katong mga provisional teachers. Pagsugod sa K-12, senior high school, nag-hire sila ng mga non-eligible teachers. They're given 5 years na makapasar. Unfortunately, there are more than 70 in the division of Agusan del Sur na wala kapasar. After 5 years, it was extended for 2 years. Wala yan po nakapasar, no? Una nga, niabot siya of 115, kaya ang 70 ana is katong mga provisional teachers na after given time, wala din sila mag-make sa pagpasar sa licensure examination. That's why they are given wala na, nagbabay na sila sa DepEd. So after 5-6 years. Okay, so just to give you an bird's eye view, next slide. This is now the criteria for hiring for Teacher 1 and the Teacher 1 promotion. Education is 10%, training is 10, experience is 10, lab is 10, PPST, classroom observation, demonstration teaching, 35. 35. And then the teacher reflection, the non-classroom observable indicators is 25. That makes it 100%. The cutoff score before is 70, now is down to 50. That's why dagdagan ang nag-RQA. Ang problema ang atong teacher item. Okay, only few. So 50. So, bisan pag perfect mo ng demo o teacher reflection, pasok na ka. No? Pasok na ka. And one of the updates now ang education, usually ang mga new applicants, fresh graduates, fresh passers sa LED, usually 0 because it requires master's degree. Kung wala yung master's degree, no points in education, 0. Ang training, usually training that are accredited training, kasagaran po 0. Okay? And then, ang LED na lang, 10 points gihapon, depende sa rating ninyo. So, are you excited for your, I know there will be top-notchers na po diri, no? I'm looking forward to that. So, PNU now is producing top-notchers every year. So, I hope that kabalo po na kami mga top-notchers diri, pila ka kabuok. The question is, pila ka kabuok? Claim na to, no? Mga 5? Napulo? Okay, so it depends upon your performance on that day. So the rating for LED is only 10 points. So the rating divided by 100 times 10, that is 10 points. So that is the criteria if in case you would like to be in a Department of Education. Now, for my next slide, balik sir, balik. Okay. Isa na ka-memorize sa DepEd Vision. Okay? DepEd Vision. Anyone? Here? Isa taga-bislik ka rin. Na taga-bislik? Ka-memorize ka yung bislik. I was ASDS and bislik na. Ang tahon na yun. Ha?
We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country, whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute in building the nation. As a Learner Center public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders.
Special prize. Diba sa Bislik? Who are from Bislik here? Diba, kantahon mo ng We Dream of Filipinos, diba? So, memorize kita sa mga taga-Bislik. Okay, so, about to siya, no? That is the vision. Next slide. Okay na. Ayos sa sir, ha? Isa na ka-memorize sa vision. Na dito. Nandito sa likod. Nasa likod. Dali. Dali, sir.
Hello. So, DepEd mission to protect and promote the rights of our Filipinos to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education, where students learn child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff as stewards of this institution ensure enabling a supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibilities for developing lifelong learners.
Okay, special prize. Pangdugang sa recess. Okay, so that's DepEd. That makes DepEd unique because we are the biggest bureaucracy with more than 900,000 employees, and we have the vision and mission of the Department of Education. Previously, when I was still a principal, the vision and mission depends on every school. Pero karon ang vision and mission sa DepEd isa na lang. Okay, everybody, what are the core values sa DepEd? Maka-Diyos, makakalikasan, and bansa. Okay, that's the focus of my discussion. What is expected of you as future teachers? What are the expectations? Of course, most of you will join DepEd. Maybe not in Agusan del Sur, maybe in other divisions, no? So, pwede mo ato sa laing na division. So, what are expected of you as teachers or being interns? Mahimo na mong intern sa Department of Education. Okay, sige, next slide. So, maka-Diyos. It is stated there, express one's spiritual belief while respecting the spiritual belief of others. So, it is one of the, di ba? One of the 21st century skills to be sensitive to the culture and religion of your learners. Not only learners, but co-teachers. Okay? So, kung naatay mga teachers na different ang belief, mga students, the culture is different from yours, respect them. I remember there was one principal in the Department of Education in Agusan del Sur. Na-assign siya sa Farplan area. Naayon sa ka-cultural minority. Yan giingnan. Mga binasa, mga walay ligo. Principal siya, no? Mga walay ligo, mga binasa, mga bahog ilok. Oh. So, niabot na siya sa dunggan sa ilang elder, no? And mind you, pagkasunod si Manam, dili na makasunod ang principal dito sa ilang barangay. Hindi na siya makasunod. Kay he is disrespectful, lalaki gid ay, no? He is disrespectful sa mga tao, mga cultural minorities na naa dito. So what the cultural minority did, ipakuan pa sila na ako yung mga ritual, ipakaon, ipabayad, para makasunod siya balik sa barangay. So see the consequence of not respecting. For example, no, mga new teachers, ma-assign magiging sa layo. Naagid mo yung mga students, mga talaandi, mga banwaon, mga manugo. So, respect yun sa ilan, no? Dito magbuhi yung mga istorya, no? We respect, especially the spiritual side. When I was assigned as principal in the first teacher in charge ko sa Barangay High School sa Bayugan, most of my learners, 80%, are Adventist. No, mga Adventist ang akong mga learners. So I have to adjust the curriculum dito. Napag yung mga klase-klase nga Adventist na ay dito ay sipa. Kasi may mga Adventist din, daghan. O daghan. Napag yun, di ba, ang main mission. So ito na ko, even if I am not an Adventist, naipay conference. Napag yung mga vegetarian na dito na pita. Mga isolated din sila. Isolated. So, as school administrator, I have to respect. There are customs and traditions from that religion. 80%, ha? Imagine. I did a survey. And Catholics, ang mga Roman Catholics is only 13%. Oh. So I cannot really impose unsa yung mga kuan nila, mga kuan na to sa lessons, no? So I have to contextualize the lessons itself. Yeah, it later on became my studies and master's degree here in PNU. So that's it. We have to respect. Next, shows adherence to ethical principles by upholding truth. Next na sir. Yes. You tell the truth always. Return borrowed things in good condition. No? Mga teachers good ta. Diba? You should be truthful. You should be honest. Oh, do you believe that honesty is still the best policy? Yes? Gawin naman lang surya. Yes. Still, honesty is the best policy. Do not dili ta mo pa ng double standard sa world, no? You should uphold the truth always. O daghan ko'y mabatian sa field, mahimo ng principal, mahimo ng TIC, manglimbong na. O, nana sa ila ang MOE, maintenance, and other operating expenses, manglimbong na siya. Itas advance sa iyang kwarta, ang MOE, igo na papirmahon ang mga teachers, o igo na papirmahon, pero ang item, mamalit na lang sila o resibo. That is not truthful. Masuko ang Ginoo. Okay? Masuko ang Ginoo. As teachers, we should be stewards of truth. So kinahanglan, we should be truthful. That is expected of you as teachers. Next. Is sensitive to individual, social, and cultural differences. This is synonymous with the first, no? Ganina is cultural, religious. This time is cultural, but they are the same. Okay? Shows respect for all. So, recognize, respects people from different economic, social, and cultural backgrounds. Please do that. Especially when you will be teachers in the Department of Education, that is a must for you. No? Makahibalo, the more you hate, the more you love the future. Oh. Ang imuhang driver sa habal-habal, gusto ka kay bahong ilo, kasi mo rin tayo mabana, pag-abot sa panahon. Oh. Muna. And we heard of teachers being raped. No? Have you heard of that? Na yung mga teachers na ito na rape. Usahay, kuhan po siguro sila. So, you should show respect to all. Next, makatao. Next slide. Demonstrate contribution towards solidarity. Consider diverse view, communicate respectfully. So, bago pa sa Department of Education o isang intern, and most of you will become volunteers sa DepEd. Ako ba na mag-volunteer man yun? No, after passing the licensure examination, that is always the plight of every teachers, mag-volunteer sa DepEd. Pag-abot dito, you should be respectful. O pag-abot anak ka ng mga tiguang ng mga teachers, di mo na kayo sila na mukuan. Di kayo balo na sa mga gadgets. So you should be the one coaching them. And you should be the one showing respect. Kaya kini mga tigulang na may mga sila, ay, kamuna ni bata, mga bata, kamuna ni siya. No? So you should be respectful. And then next slide. Makakalikasan, cares for the environment, and utilize resources wisely, judiciously, and economically. Ang atong superintendent karon, isa kang superintendent karon na sa DepEd sa Agusan del Sur, si Ma'am. I heard it. Yes, si Ma'am Josita Carmen. Taga sa Kalangga, Taga? Butuan. Okay, sige. So, sa office, we are instructed na kanang mga papel, kanang mga hilabay ng mga papel, recycle na siya namo. Ang back na, we will use it for another purposes, especially kung mga scratch lang. Okay? And then, ang aircons, naalay tayo na mag-open. No? Wise use of resources. Ang uban, pag makasunod na as teachers, unsa bay ako? Di bitaw ako nagbayad ani. Ang gobyerno bitaw nagbayad ani, bahala nang suba diha og electric fan mag-upgrade. So you should be advocates for that. When you will become teachers or bisag volunteers or teachers. No? So, wise use of resources. Conserve energy. Take care of school materials. Keep one's work neat and orderly. Next slide. Demonstrate pride in being Filipino. Exercise the rights and responsibilities of Filipino citizen. Respect flag and the national anthem. So, it is expected of you na you should be advocates of that. So, kayo usahay that is not being emphasized. Ang mga bata, or as well as the teachers, dili na kahibalo mo pilo sa flag. Kung ibitay ang flag, asa ang blue. Dapit, mabaliktad na. No? Dili na makahibalo. Unsay right way in folding the flag? Dili na po hibalo. So, as teachers, you should be knowledgeable on that. That is expected of you as teachers. Being makabansa. Manages time and personal resources efficiently and effectively. Okay? Anong kuan ba? Isilduhan man sa gobyerno, panalitan man teachers na mo, no? Kung ba mo paabot ra 5 o'clock na yun. 5 o'clock na karon na. Lumba na pinig kita yun. Mugawas kita yun. Ulo, anang time right bantayan. No? So, dili ang trabaho. So, I hope that you will have that wise use of your resources. Part of the being a teacher in the Department of Education is following the code of ethics for professional teachers. So, I will have run through of the code of ethics. So, this is very important. Usahay, although I'm sure you have discussed this in some of your subjects, but you tend to forget. Or if you are already in the Department of Education, tuyuon yun o forget. Giin na nga dili mo uyaw kung estudyante, na kay gwapa man, gwapo man, sa ako naman eh, mukita yung magyot. Di kimapugnan. So, that is part of the code of ethics. Okay, next slide. Sige sir, next slide. Okay. All educational institutions shall offer quality education for all competent teachers. Okay, next slide. May na siya. Schools are nurseries of the future of the state. So, next slide. So, dili na nako ni siya kayo. About statement ni siya. Next. Amen. Teacher and the community. Teacher is facilitator of learning. So, you are the facilitator of learning. Development of the youth and render the best service by providing environment conducive to such learning and growth. I heard there's a teacher na very ideal, no? So, dili pasudlon sa classroom, ang dili maka-medyas. O niya, dili maka-uniform. Hindi naman na, obvious naman ang dili maka-uniform karon kay there's already a department order that uniform is optional in the Department of Education. Hindi maka-medyas. No? Na-teacher anak, pamidyason, hindi ang paulion. So, last time when I have the school visits. So nakita ko na siya. There's a feedback. So you should not do that. No, kaya wala kayong balo sa background na imong bata. Basit ka na imong bata, wala gikaon. Midyas pa ba paliton? No? So, have compassion, have empathy for your learners. When I was still at TIC, in Farplang area in Bayugan, I have that home visit sa akong mga learners. Pagtanaw na ako puro bakilid ang mga dalan, and they are hiking this for every day. Ikaw dili pwede maging stricto. Okay, it's not easy to hike. No, it's not easy to hike. Grabe ang ilang giagihan. Naapay estudyante na mo nga 4 o'clock in the morning, magbaktas. Muabot sa school alas 7. Pagka alas 5, alas 4 ninja, mo excuse na siya. Ang mabaktas, maabot na po sa ilahang balay alas 7 sa kagabing yun. No? Unya, kung ingana ang background sa imong estudyante, pag-abot sa eskwelahan, di mo pasudlon kay na late, no, di ka makonsensya kung waka kahibalo. Di ka makonsensya kung waka kahibalo. Pero if you are a good teacher, do mong visit. Kaya para ma-feel ni mo kung unsa yun ang sitwasyon sa inyong mga bata. Okay? And that student, particular student of mine, nag-example na ko, is now a full-time teacher in the Department of Education. Diba? So, fulfilling kayo mga 3 hours siya magbaktas. Unya, ang ilalabang lugar, pag paubos tanan. Pag paulit silang balay. Pag padung po sa kuan, eskwelahan, pataas po tanan. Imagine, pag ato na ako, hal-hal ito di ba po yung ani kada po sa una? So, grabe ka na pumalhal ito. Di makaya. Bisag one way lang. It's not easy. So, see, masabtan gini mo nga dili lalim ang kinabuhi sa mga estudyante nato. You should have that sympathy sa ilahan. Next. The teacher shall help school keep the people in the community informed. You are the intellectual leader in the community. You are the intellectual leader in the community. Masabot ana, you have that solemn responsibility. Kung ayaw pag-implement o pagpa-gara-gara ng mga fake news, you are an authority there. When I was still a teacher in a Farplang area, pagsulod pa lang na ako, para graduate na ako dayon, I'm already the school head. Kay upat na may kabuok, kung kauban midwife, nag-teach, nag-volunteer mo tanan. Ang ikaduha is nurse by profession, wala pa nag-nurse. Ang ikatulo, elementary teacher. I am secondary teacher, secondary school na to. So immediately, no? Walang tamuang-muwang sa mundo. I'm 19 years old, I immediately became the school in charge. Di ba? Pag-abot mo dito, intellectual leader ka. Kaya pag-abot mo dito, sir, unsa may mo mato ng kapitan dito? Sir, unsa may mo idea ani? Uy, magpatuo dahil si kapitan. Si sir na ko nag-iingon, si ma'am na ang iingon. So, intellectual leader. Unsa may mo pasabutan ni sir, magkuan ni, mag-assembly ni, pwede ka na makuhaon niya MC. Ay, sugot kita yun. Kay ang kapitan, give and take naman na siya. No? So, you should be the intellectual leader of the community. Unya, pag naay handaan, si sir ang una. Ay, sa mga pangaon, kayo mapanabot si sir. Dili sa natandugon ng manok diha. Una eleksyon dito kay mga Adventist ba ya? Dili sa natandugon ng manok diha. Una na natandugon pag makuhaan na ni sir, makalalag. Anak ka is special. I really miss that school. So, for 8 years, I was there. Okay, next. Intellectual leader ka sa community. It's not easy, ha? Na maging intellectual leader ka. Pasabot, you have that solemn responsibility. Labi na yun, ma-assign ka dito sa puro mga, pati mga parents, wala yung mga eskwela. So, pati sila tutulungan kita siya nimo. No? Next. Teacher and the profession. Actively ensure that teaching is the noblest profession. Shall uphold the highest possible standards of quality education. Shall participate in continuing professional education. So, when I was at TIC, there is no MOOE yet. Wala pa yung budget ang school. Ako mismo ang gasto sa akong mga trainings. No? So, if there are trainings nga ikanda, I see to it that I will participate and my co-teachers. So, dili man gid ko dalo sa mga trainings, no? I really inform them. So, as teachers, when you will be teachers, paningkamot yun yung ma-feel sa mga trainings. Because that is one way of upgrading. According to the recent study, the things that we learn today will become obsolete on the average by 13 months. Okay? 13 months. After 13 months, there will be new concepts and ideas. That's why we should be informed and updated. We should be informed and updated. You should innovate. Look at Nokia. What happened to Nokia? The first brand of cell phone in the world. But because they failed to innovate sa mga sa tawagan ng mga phones karon, Android. So nawala na sila sa circulation. The Kodak, di ba? Before, kung nakaabot pa ba no, nga ang atong picture is na-film, ito'y tarong na nagipag-ana, kay muungot, no? Niya pagkahuman, pagkakuha na, i-develop dahil na siya dito sa Kodak. But Kodak now is nowhere na to be found because they failed to innovate. So as teachers, you should try to motivate yourself. Kinahanglan mo learn dito, mo learn pa dito. Even if spending my own money. Do not be ganang dalo sa inyong kagalingon. You should spend money for your own self. Next, shall help every teacher to seek support from the school, but shall not make improper mispresentation through personal advertisement. Pag naa mo sa lahi na sa private school. Ang private school, your task is mag-teach siya yun. Mag-teach lang. Pero kung naa ka sa DepEd, ang imong task, apil na ang imong mga bata, papauno na nimo. Apil na, no? Kung di ka maluoy, depende na po sa inyo. Pero kung maluoy din ko. And then, especially when you become school heads, you will make solicitations there and here. Atos kapitan, mga filming of unit meet, sports, wala man yung budget sa DepEd. Asa mo ito mga yung mga parents, wala ko yung mga pangayuanan na you make your own kalaki and discarte. Mo ginay reality sa DepEd. So, unless otherwise, kung establish ang inyong school, no? Kung naagyoy ka na proper na MOE, maka-charge man taliha. So, pero there are schools na wala yung MOE. So, you use your kalaki yun. And then, next line, shall at all times be imbued with a spirit of professional loyalty, mutual confidence, and faith in one another. Self-sacrifice for the common good, not entitled to claim credit or work not of his own. So nahita po ni, nagparangking o master teacher. Gikuha niya ang research sa dili niya research. Kaya na may points ang research. O gikuha niya ang research, i-copy-paste niya. Ang problema, Kay wa naapil og copy paste ang pangalan. Nalimtan og kuan. Nalimtan tinuod ni nga nahitabuhan dili ni binuang. Nalimtan niya og erase ang pangalan. Erase kita niya ang uban settings, pero ang pangalan nalimtan og erase. So nasakpan gid siya. So as teachers, you should not claim any works which are not your own. You make, no? So dili ka sayon rana. So kaya ra kayo ninyo. Next, shall hold and violate all confidential information concerning associates and schools, and shall not divulge to anyone documents which has not been officially released. O bantayanan gid niya. Kanang mga bata nato confidential na ilang mga records. Bisan atong mga co-teachers. Kung na magpa-ayo-ayo niya ang mga documents, you should have proper request. Oh. Dili nyo na basta-basta i-divulge. Uy, kinidayang akong kuan ba? Kinidayang akong estudyante ba? Kung ba din ang anak ni kuan? Ni Maria? Kini si Maria kay Wilnon, ba ni kayo nga daghay bana? Uy, panabi ni mo. Ipanabi, imarites ni mo. And it has effect on the child. So you should be cautious on that. Teacher and higher authorities. So kinahanglan, kung naantay mga dili magustuhan, we should do it at the proper forum. Oh, kung naka-reklamo sa imong school head, you do it in the proper forum. O ang mga bagong teachers na bakaron, may number 1 nga mga reklamador yun. O ma-assign dito sa bukid, asa na mo ang multi-grade allowance. Asa na ang among hardship allowance. Kaya ma-assign mo layo naman ang hardship allowance. Ma-assign mo multi-grade, grade 1, grade 2, i-combine, ikaw ra ka sa teacher. Grade 3, grade 4, i-combine, grade 5, grade 6, nanay, gitawag nga, multi-grade allowance, but subject to availability of funds. Okay. Next slide. Teachers at all times show professional courtesy, helpfulness, and sympathy toward teachers and other personnel. Lahi man ang may tabo usahay, kay maglilibak kay man, o magmarites, hindi siguro, lahi na po diyan ko ano. Iha siguro yung kalinang ni, kabit siguro na yung driver, kay ko ano. Pag mawahan natin sila kalit, marites, mo uso sa DepEd. And did you know that as ASDS, naghay mabot na kaso diya sa kuha, mga marites ra hinagdan. Naganyan man mo abot nga mag-asawa, no? Mataot ra po sa chismis. Kining chismis yun. Okay. No school officials shall dismiss or recommend for dismissal a teacher or other subordinates except for a cause. Dili lang yung kaya, no? Nga, anang makasalak ka? Na may proper forum, anak. The disciplining authority for the teacher is the regional director. So now, the teacher and learners, you have the right to determine the academic rank. Next slide. Grado man na. The teachers and learners shall not accept favors or gifts from learners, their parents. Kung yung uban kayo mag-tutor man, magpabayad. O na, diya sa San Franz, kapila na naman nasakpan. Yung estudyante, after class hours, gamiton pag yun ang eskwelahan ng mga resources, mga suga, mga electric pan, so you should not do that. Ang remedial instruction nato, dili na magpabayad. So, kinahanglan, service yung giningan to, kaya ang teaching is a noble profession. So, mangwarta man yun noon, magpadung-dung yun, pag-meeting, guba na atong kuhan. Pero man ang mag-istorya ta sa mga kuhan sa atong classrooms, mo-donate ang mga parents, but we should not demand. No? So, gabi na ka ng mga wants na nato. Okay. Teachers and learners shall not inflict corporal punishment on offending learners or to make deductions from their scholastic trainings. Oh, when I was in Bayugan City Division, ay nag-demo nga teacher, senior high school. Kining senior high school, kaya dili ba sila mga teachers kasagaran. Ano na dahil siya? Class! Pass your papers in 5 seconds. And those who cannot pass the papers will have 10 points deduction. 1, 2, 3. Tinood niya? Nahitabo? Sus, ang mga bata, nagdamag na lang upuan. Submit silang pipil kay minusan ng points. After the demo, I told the teacher, bawal na lang, sir. Bawal na lang mag-minus ka kay di lang sila kapas tayo. That is against the code of ethics of teachers. So, bawal na mag-minus ka. Ito mga traditional pa nato, no? So, uban na yun, minusan ka, katabihan ka, mata ka. Minusan. Ang umang teachers, pag-inflict o corporal punishment, handle ka ron. Mo na nga mauban, man-SWD. Uban mo si On, pero di po daliw. Okay, makuan ba yan, especially grade 1 teachers? Ma-provoke ba ka? Labi na yung mga espesyalon kamay ng mga bata. Grabe ka mga lagas. So, ang ubang teachers, makapusin din sila. Pero kamo, kaya nag-decide man mo as teachers, so maging artista gid mo. Mag-decide, so kung ano kayo labi, naging kayo pumuton. Kung mangkot ko pa niya, hindi pumot mo na niya ganihara. Pero kayo, pasensya. Mamuno, mag-away, magsinumbagay. When I visited a certain school, there is a prosperidad. Alas also na, wala pa teacher. Pag-abot na ko dito, nagdumog ang mga bata. Nagdumog, ingon tong isa. Namalikas kung iyaw kayo ng mga bata karon and very sudden. Ingon tong isa. Why ka? Why? Nang why ka nang Y-A-W-A. Mga grade 3. Nagpatang. Kaya sirado pa nga ng pintahan. Sirado pa. Siya, why ka? Yung putong isa, why ko ka? Babaeng lalaki ni. Isog kayo. Ingon siya. Putot naman na yung mama. Naapil ng mama. Masa kay labot sa mama. Isa nga man nagputot, ang imo mong papa kayo ka ng baho. O di ba? Apil na ang mga papa o mama. So, violent na sila kayo sa natanan. Unya kay my teacher, ang assistant superintendent o nagbuwag sa duha ka bata nga nagbuwag. Anak. So, as teachers, we should be mindful, no? We should be mindful. Kaya kini mga batasan na ito karon, Alpha generation has different character traits sa tunon ang mga bata karon. Muna kung as much as possible, dili kita mo inflict o corporal punishment. Kaya at the end, you will be at the losing end. Amo gyud ang gansi as teachers. Kaya diha, child protection policy. Child protection policy. Unya ang teacher, wala man protection ana. So, una nga dili gyud mamusik mag-inflict og corporal punishment painitan ang mga badlungon. Maximum tolerance as teachers. Okay, next slide. Teachers and parents. Napag-isa, teachers and learners. Bawal manguyab sa teachers. Sa ang teacher o students. Especially kung ma-assign na mo senior high school, nana dito ang mga adult naman ang ubang anak, 18 years old naman. Kita na mo dito, gwapa o gwapo. Na feeling ni mo, kaya putan siya sa imo, feeling ni mo, na siguro niya akong ipaabot na forever. Na siguro ni, akong ipaabot na forever. Na kay magpasip-sip-sip po ng bata, magpa-cute-cute po sa imo, na ikaw po kay ilarunon po kang dako, ilarunon po ang teacher, magpa-apekto po. So, ayaw yun ha? Ayaw. Wala gid mo ilaban. Remember, even if, by definition, even if more than 18 years old na ang bata, pero kung estudyante pa siya, considered gihapon siya as minor. Imanan. Paano naman sir, 20. Pero kay estudyante magyapon mo, sayo gihapon. Ha? Kulang na lang graduate. Pugong-pugong na lang usa. Kung makagraduate na og high school, senior high school, bahala na mo diya. Basta single po ka ha. Basta nung minyo po ka, mapatol po ka ato na it's really different. So, maximum kung sa mga bata na ay sa mga elementary, maximum tolerance, sa mga high school, maximum self-control yun. Control, pugo. Kaya ang tentasyon sa yawa, grabe. Physical appearance. Kunya, pagkadugayan, mawala naman na siya. Mawala na ng lamig kadugayan. Huwag na magkauban na magkadatlaw. Teachers and parents, you should establish and maintain cordial relationship. Kunya, i-inform din ng parents sa mga deficiencies sa mga bata. Sa bagong DepEd order, during the 4th week, if you could see nga ang bata, dili na maayo ang iyang performance, you should call the attention of the parents. Karon ha, second quarter na, when we roam around sa different schools, there are still teachers or schools na wala nag-distribute sa ilahang report card na pinapasign ang parents. So, if that is the case, makabalo na lang ang parents pag-end sa semester or sa school year na ang iyahang anak did not make it. Bagsak kayo anak. Kayo did not make intervention. Dapat the parents should be partners. You should inform them properly nga mao di ay nang status sa ilang anak. Kung busy ang parents, you should find time. There are so many ways to contact now. Naa naman tayo cellphones. Naa na tayo Facebook. Naa na tayo Instagram. Pwede na ginato sila kontakon. Pwede na tawagan, i-messenger, i-message. There are so many ways. Pero kung naamo sa bukid, imposible na tanan, face-to-face yun. Ang tuon yun ang mga ginikanan. That is your solemn responsibilities as teachers. I-inform ang parents sa progress sa iyang anak. Pag naay mamatikdan nga unusual, ipatest din na. No? Ano ka mo ng teachers? Kanay mo ba na mainstream, pero ano dito sila, with special needs. When I was there in far-flung area, pabasa na ko, pabasa. Random ha? Natimingan din ako itong with special needs. Kay pag itudlo ni mo ang iyang basa ko. Mutingog po siya. Pero lahat ng word. Dala lipat-lipat pa. So di giday siya ka basa. Bisa kung saan mo na siya diha, di giday siya ka basa. So dapat na ay mga special consideration as teachers. Next, teacher and business has the right to engage directly or indirectly in legitimate income. Pwede man mag-business, pero that is not advisable nga during office hours. Patagna gid ko. Kadaghan na gid ko nakatagna ang mga teachers, mga ilarunon, hindi kaayong nagway. O nga naman, pag naaga na quick rich scheme, double your money within 1 month. Si teacher mag-loan. Mag-loan si teacher. After 1 month, pakati. O, padawat ko kwarta. Minunan si teacher, mamalita na siya dito. Uy, okay kayo okay kayo. Eh, nakadawat O, pag nakakuha na siya, nakadawat na, mamalita na sa ubang teacher. Uy, nakadawat ko. Sige, mo invest na. Pangutang pag-loan mo dito. O dito naman pag-loan sa kanang Sanla ATM, idali ra kayo. O i-turn over ang ATM, maglulog ginagko, i-invest. Pag-invest ka ron. After so many months, or 3 months na, the maximum, ang yang double your money ay naging naglahong para bula, nawala na ang kwarta. So si teacher, ang kabilin, 5,000 na lang monthly. Ito pag isa park lang niya na-assign. So di na siya excited sa iyahang sa salary. So pagkasunod buwan, may lupot siya, mangutang na po ko. Asa po ko ano makautang? So, tinuod na siya. There are teachers now na nagapos sa utang. And they are not excited anymore to work because na-trap sila. Trap mo kayo. No? So, when I arrived there in this league, na-announcement, alihan, hindi mo magpailan. Sabi, magpa-loan o magpa-register o 130,000. After anak, mag-una-una ka, kinsa imong i-recruit. So, ngayon, una-una kada adlaw, mag-recruit ko. Mag-recruit ko, kaya kung mag-recruit ko, na ako'y kwarta. Pag maka-recruit ko, inisip kumari, ako nag-recruit, palunon ako ni, ang laman na ako application form daan sa land bank or sa east-west. Pag maka-loan na, ato siya, mag-recruit na po. Ano sa style na kamutanan, biktima na. So there is no such thing as weak rich team sa kalibutan, no? O di yun magpailan ang mga teachers. So more ba ni kay kasagaran mga teachers ng dulo, no? Kapatanaw sa pattern. They are always mga scammers. They will always victimize the teachers and the policemen. Mga teachers and policemen. Why? Because they are mga permanent employees, daghan ang mga magpautang. Samtang kaya pa sa payslip, magutang. So, muna siya, daghan ang magkuhan sa utang. So, ang teacher as a business, it is okay. But you should not use on office hours. Teacher as a person shall place premium self-discipline and personal behavior in relationships. Okay? So, maayo dapat ang atong relationship sa isig kaingon. You should have a good relationship because if you are a noted troublemaker, that is a hindrance for you to be promoted. Now, there is what we call background investigation. Before you will be promoted, you will be investigated of your previous station, mga heads, mga nakauban nyo, mga tanong, okay man siya, okay man him. So as teachers, you should try your best nga okay ang imong relationship. Kung sa may trend karon, mga dinaotay, mga marites, okay na siya trend karon sa kalibutan. But as teachers, you should be the light of the world because this profession is a noble profession. Next slide. Next pag yun. Next. O mga words of wisdom. That is coming from me, ha? Full commitment to duty. Number 1, you should be non-partisan. Ayaw din pagkuhan ng mga politiko. Kaya pag magpa-identify ka o politiko, mag-down na ng politiko, lahi na ang puli, mainitan ka. So as much as possible, you should be, as teachers, you should be neutral. Bisan pa o kailan mo na ang didagan ni mga politicians, you should not be okay friends mo, pero kanang diligid ka, identified nga very close. Kay when another politician, kanang mga politician, temporary na sila. When lahi na mo puli, especially kung kalaban, mainitan na mo. No? There was one teacher here in Costa Rica na inganaw ko tunta. No? naanay mga politician nagtawag na ato ning tagaan og sanction, but we as DepEd, we also protect the employees. You file appropriate complaint. So kay para we can have appropriate action. So kanang obvious bitaw kay ang teacher na ba mao kay mag-serve sa eleksyon, kasagaran. Anong obvious nga nakay napigan ba? So dili na siya dapat non-partisan. Next, behave with honor and dignity and all at all times. So kada mga teachers, sigara na iban palahubog, no? Na iban palahubog yun. Bakit palahubog diri? Laho, so it is okay sometimes to have socialization. Ibutang sa lugar. No? There was one employee there in Department of Education. Ireklamo niya sa kapitan. Kaya naman, pag mahubog sir, magkamang siya. Na magpataka ng istorya, mga bastos na. So, that it should not be like that. Maintain harmonious relationship with others. Uphold highest possible standards of quality. And then, uphold honesty and integrity. Bisan walay nagtanaw, we should be honest. Okay? Dili mo i-bless sa Ginoo. Pag dili mo honest. I'll tell you. Matingalan sa uban. Sige na mag-take og exam. Magpa-promote. Dili magiging makapasar. No? Because something is wrong. Basit sa ilang binuhatan. So you should be honest even if others are not. If you'll ask me, dagat pa di ay instances sa DepEd na will not be honest? Yes, daghan. Daghan temptation. That's why your principles should be intact. If you don't know who you are, then you don't mind kung sa'yo mo abot. Dawato na mo na whether positive or negative. That's why you should be honest. And we should have integrity. Next slide. You should learn continuously by participating on trainings, seminars, and others. Learn with God sa training. Respect authorities and use digital literacy properly. Okay, kasagaran sa mga bagong teachers, pati mga paluwagan, i-announce sa Facebook, pati mga utangan sa ilaha, mga batang mga, ikaw kuan ha, may na ikaw manginahanglan, dito sa mga pahumaw sa Facebook, which is not the proper venue. And you are a teacher. Butang dito, ibang mention pag ang pangalan, ini mga musunod o ini mga utangan sa ako, naagin na siya. No? That is not the proper venue. Patawag sa barangay, unay utangan sa imo. So, unay nagpaluwagan ka nga wala ni kuan, we should submit for proper authorities. Be financially literate. Kung yun yung pinaka-importante. And teachers, you will not be excited anymore of your take-home pay if you are not financially literate. Sige utang, palit iPhone, palit o gadgets, iPad, ang hindi wala na yung kwarta. Okay? You only spend for things which you need. Ang mga ones, depende na sa mga kunangatay extra. So, you should budget your money. One of my secret is really paying tithing to the Lord. That is part of financial literacy. I give to the Lord what is due for Him. So, that is the spiritual side. No? Be emotionally and socially literate. Usahay na wala ng buot, yung mga bright na mga siya. Ganong ingantuman, ang iyahang gihimo. No? I-expose na tanan, wala na siya ko'y buot. Wala na siya batasan. And the most important thing, everybody read, the last one.
Choose life partner carefully.
Ano yung pinaka-importante? When I was still a principal, I am a teacher, this is true to life. I have a teacher na mag-demonstrate na siya. A very good teacher. Very good teacher. Mag-demo na siya. She is slated to be promoted as a master teacher. Pero nadugay siya o uli. Nadugay siya uli kaya nag-iwan ko sa iyong mga devices. Sa una, wala ko na nang kuhan. Tayo ng mga digital literacy, no? Hingo siya sa mga Bitay Max and so many. Pag-abot din sa iyang balay, ang iyang bana hubog. Ningon dahil na iyang bana. Anong dugay ka muli? Naana kay kabit, no? Wala. O saan na mo nalang? Kuhaan na ito yung mga devices. O gikumot-kumot. O gisunod. Wala. For how many hours na yung gihaguan? Nawala ang tanang. O gikulatan pa isa. Pag-abot tayo, story na tayo. Dahil yun, kung maninit mo paano ka, guwapo magulong sa sir sa lana. Kunya, makikit din mo pag-guwapo. Na-addict naman siya. Wala na. O, kaya mga teachers po, dahil na po din ilaman sa gugma. O. Mas okay nga ang teacher para po sa teacher. Mas inara po na sa inyong kilig-kilig ang inyo forever. Ha? O. Gamay na ba yung lalaki din eh? Pag-imot mo ninyo ng lalaki din eh. Sa aral na daan ninyo. Magsaad na, magsaad. Mas okay nga ang teacher para sa teacher kaya makasabot. Pero I am not undermining others. Tapos teacher na pagkabutan sa bana, oy, farmer, panangga kayo siya. Murag prinsesa. Oh, pagpuntak na ta, na nagkakaon, ulang na lang kinisubo. Oh. Pag-abot sa kuhan, hindi na siya matrabaho sa balay. Ginagbahan na sa bana. Farmer pa din yung bana. Sa makatiming lang yun. Sa makatiming. So you choose life's partner carefully because your life's partner will either make or break your future. Kung makatiming ka daot, it will break your future. Kung makatiming ka tarong, it will make your future. So why settle for less? Kung pamili mo, teacher po. Mga babae, may kasabaran mga babae, mamito dito sa driver, only driver, atong kagawan dito sa barangay, na single po. Atong pagkuban ng mga SK, o nakoy nga ng mga kuwan. So, I'm not undermining, no, basta you deserve. You deserve. Because as teachers, you cannot work properly if your partner is not in good, proper mindset. And who does not understand your profession. Dapat ka ba mo sabot, no? Usahay, lugar mo uli, kanay activity. O, usahay, naay mga meetings. Sometimes, during Saturdays or Sundays, we are being called up in exigency of service. Okay? So your partner must be understanding. Okay? So you should be like that. No? So tama mo yun, kaya isa na ba ito magpili? Unya, kung kalbaryo yung mapilihan for the rest of your life, kalbaryo na siya. Dili na kapag, no, bribe ato nga, bribe na ito siya, magna cum laude. Pero nakabanaman ng kuwan yaot, nawakit niya nagamit niya pag magna cum laude. She became useless. Wala, for maintenance na lang, for survival na lang ang iyang future. Okay? So that's it. DepEd world next is characterized by VOCA. Kami VOCA world with me. Ano ito ibang dani, but I would like to deal with VOCA. Volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. Dili na mo ma-determine ang ano. There are a lot of uncertainties in the Department of Education. That's why we need to be Next slide. Kailangan may volatile, kailangan vigilant. Kailangan may uncertainty, you need to be understanding. Complex man, you need to be clear. And the last one, ambiguous, you need to be agile. Ano bang isang pakalit-kalitan na ka, okay lang. No? ASAP, urgent, that is DepEd now. But we love DepEd because that is the source of our living. I mean, no? Kung kamupot, kung join mo DepEd. So, that is now the realities of DepEd. Next slide. Excellence is not an option now, but a must. Hindi pwede, ang pwede na, dapat pulido ang pagkagawa. You should be of good quality. You will become teachers, hindi pwede ang compliance lang, but you should make it with the best quality and highest standards, no? Including your attitude as teachers. Ano bitaw kayo na mas bright kami si ano kaysa kang ano, no? Si Juan, mas bright kami kang Maria. Nga naman pagpanarbaho nila, na si Maria naman ang nahimong taas ng ranggo. Si Juan, mas ubos naman siya ang ranggo. Why is it so? It's because of the emotional quotient of the employees. Ang batasan. Because having a high IQ is not enough to be working. Now, I also observed during with so many years experience in DepEd, atong mga valedictorian, sometimes mga salutatorian with the highest honors, mas okay pa ang kahimtangan tumuban. Atong mga with honors, or sometimes atong mga badlumon sa klase. Because when they will be at the field, sa real battle, mas maayo rin sila discarded. So, discarding is the key. Okay? So, kanang mga Latin honors ninyo, kanang inyong being a board top-notcher, that is a bonus for you. But what is important is the combination of IQ, EQ, plus now the social quotient, SQ. Napagigitawag na adversity quotient. And ayuban, pag hako ka ng mga problema, mga challenges, matarantal na. Ang uban, mag-depress, maghikog na. Okay? Oh, with these generations now, bakit ito maghikog, no? So, you should have good adversity quotient. So, dili lang enough ang IQ, dapat tanan niya Q. You should balance it so that you will be successful. And the last line, everybody read. Okay. Ang teaching is for you not to be rich financially. That is a mission. Ako no, I have an experience. Ubalik ang mga bata sa inyo. Although I have a very short teaching experience because I became school manager na dayon, principal, no? Pero during the time na nag-TIC ko, I was able to make a difference with these learners. Hindi mga deprived, depressed na mga bata, mo ni dapat matutubangan. You don't know their future. Di karon dato mga makaluluoy ng mga bata sa una, anak ko mga seaman, no? Naanay mga accountant, and that is a great honor for the teacher. Ang uban, kwartahan ka ay sa teacher nila. And that is a great honor to transform lives. You want it? Ganahan ba na? Yes. You are indeed ready to face the real battle in the Department of Education. Maybe for some, dili mo lumato sa DepEd. Ang uban siguro maadto sa CHED, maadto sa CHED, ang uban mo abroad. But I'm sure many of you here will go to the Department of Education. So be ready for the real battle and be ready to transform and to touch lives as a teacher. Congratulations to all of you and God bless.
Thank you, Dr. Makalala, for that insightful and comprehensive discussion.